Good morning student and welcome to our second lesson of unit first, Neha's alarm clock. I read and explain this lesson in my Zoom classes, but this video is for those who was unable to attend the Zoom class. Okay, so all my dear students, first I will read this lesson for you, then I will explain it for you. You have to pay attention and you have to listen very carefully. Okay, now let's start the lesson. Neha's alarm clock. Narrator. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. Neha, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Narrator. Something falls. Neha smiles. Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Narrator. The next morning there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha. Oh no. If it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Next page. Page number 8. Neha, oh my eyes. Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So, Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother, wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Neha, oh no. Why does mother have to wake me up? Narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Next page. Narrator. Mother smiles. Mother, who else? You, of course, Neha. But I was sleeping. How could I? Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha, I feel hungry. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Neha, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother, relax. Today is Sunday. Neha, oh. Adapted from Neha's Alarm Clock by Girija Rani Asthana. It means this it is a part of a story of Neha's Alarm Clock. Okay, and Girija Rani Asthana is the writer of this play. You can say it play or story of Neha. Girija Rani Asthana is the writer of the story of Neha's Alarm Clock. Okay, and don't forget the name of the writer of this lesson. And my dear student, now I will explain the lesson. Okay, now listen very carefully. Narrator. First of all, I will tell you the meaning of narrator. Narrator is the person who tells the story. Okay, narrator means storyteller. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Okay, ring, ring, ring is the sound of the alarm of a clock. Understand? The alarm clock ring at the 6 o'clock in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow. Neha, because Neha not want to get up in the morning, so and he not want to hear the sound of a alarm clock, so she cover her ears with the pillow. Pillow, you know, where we at sleeping time where we put our head, that is pillow. Snuggle under the warm blanket and she goes under the blanket. But she knows कि she has to get up because she has to go to the school in the morning. She mutters to herself. Mutters means to say something in a very low voice. मतलब धीरे धीरे जो हम अपने आप से कहते हैं ना, that is mutters. उसने अपने आप से कहा, herself means अपने आप से. नेहा, what she says, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. What she said, it is very bad. The alarm clock always rings at 6 o'clock and it make me wake up daily, and it is very unfair. I want to sleep a little longer. She likes to sleep in the morning, but because she has to go to the school now, that's why she has to get up at 6 o'clock. So she think, she wish this clock would forget its job. What is her wish? Her wish is the clock would forget the job. What was the job of the clock, alarm clock? To get up the Neha at 6 o'clock by ringing. है ना, its job is to ring at 6 o'clock to make the Neha get up. तो Neha is wishing कि the clock forget its job. Narrator, now storyteller is saying something falls. Neha smiles. कुछ गिरा. And Neha smiles. Neha, oh, my clock has fallen. What she said? She said, oh, my clock. Which clock? Alarm clock, which rings every day at 6 o'clock in the morning, that fallen. How happy I am. And she feels very happy when the clock fell down. That time Neha feel very happy, and she thinks कि from tomorrow onwards I can get up late because there is no alarm clock to get me up. Okay. Next morning there is no alarm. What happened next day? Next day, because the clock was broken, so there is no alarm, and Neha sleeps and sleeps. But the small chirpy birds. Chirpy is the sound of the birds. Chirpy. Which come to the windowsill. Windowsill means the bottom part of the window. Here you can see in this picture also, this is this one. है ना, one bird is sitting here ना. This is the windowsill. Window, you know, खिड़की. This is the windowsill. यहाँ पर आ गई वो. And bird says, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator, Neha gets up with a start, and when the bird says get up dear, wake up fast, wake up dear, wake up fast, so Neha gets up, and Neha said, oh no, it is not the alarm clock, it is these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? When these birds make the Neha get up, so Neha not feel good. She was angry with the birds, and she is saying कि today there is no alarm clock, but these birds are making me get up because she want to sleep a little longer in the morning na, so she get angry. Why don't they leave me alone? And she said कि why these birds leave me alone, मुझे अकेला क्यों नहीं छोड़ देते हैं. Narrator, even this wish of Neha's comes true. Now this wish also comes true. Whose wish? Neha's. Neha's want the birds don't make me wake up. So next day the birds not come to the Neha's room. But there is someone else. Who not want to make Neha miss the school bus. Can you guess who is it? ये कौन था? Yes, it is the big bright sun. The big bright sun when the rays of the sun comes in the came in the Neha's room, the room filled with light. Okay, here you written a room with a warm smile. Warm smile मतलब इसका मेन मीनिंग इसका ये है the room filled with light. Okay, next page. Neha, then again Neha get angry and she said, "Oh my eyes, when the sun rays falls in her eyes." That time Neha closed her eyes and said, "Oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up." What the Meena said? Meena said, "Today no alarm, no birds, but this sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be?" Again she wished कि ये सूरज मुझे अकेला क्यों नहीं छोड़ देता, ऐसे ही क्यों नहीं छोड़ देता. Then now see what happened next day. Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. उसकी ये wish भी पूरी हो गई. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. The sun was behind the clouds. It means there was clouds in the sky. So Neha snored till the hears her mother's voice. Snore means, beta, snore means it is the when we sleep and we someone make a sound ना, जब सोते हैं तो एक नाक से आवाज आती है ना, वो हाँ खर्राटे, उसको बोलते हैं स्नोर. ओके, तो वो सोती रही कब तक? टिल देन हर मदर कॉल हर, जब तक कि उसकी माँ ने उसको नहीं उठाया. ओके, मदर. वेक अप स्लीपी हेड. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी दिस वर्ड स्लीपी हेड. I explained this word sleepyhead in my last poem also. Wake up. In wake up poem na, what is the meaning of sleepyhead? Sleepyhead means lazy. Sleepyhead means lazy. Her mother said, "Wake up, you lazy. You will miss the bus." Neha, "Oh no. Why does mother have to wake me up?" Now what she said? She said, "मुझे मम्मी ने क्यों उठाया?" Narrator. There is no escape. Escape means break free from the control. अब कोई चांस नहीं था बचने का. Neha gets up and gets ready for the school. Can you imagine what happens the next day? That day तो Neha gets up and she went to the school. But can you imagine what happened the next day? Because that day alarm clock is not there, birds not come, and sun is also not come to wake up her, and her mother is also not call her to wake up. Okay, then what happened? Neha wakes up with a start. Neha खुद ही उठ गई. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. When she look at her watch, the time was 6 o'clock. As she gets up daily in the morning, time was same. She calls out to her mother. When she wake up, she call out to her mother. She called to her mother. Neha, "Ma, who woke me up today?" She is asking with her mother कि माँ who woke me up today? Narrator. Mother smiles. अब मम्मी मुस्कुराई. Mother, who else? You of course. Means mother is saying कि you wake you up yourself. No one wake up today. Okay. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Neha is saying, "Mummy, I was too sleeping. So how could I wake up myself?" Mother, now tell me. Now her mother is asking, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? It means 1 o'clock. Why you take your lunch every day at 1 o'clock in the afternoon? So Neha says, because I feel hungry at 1 o'clock, so I take my lunch daily at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then mother asks again, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Then Neha says, because I feel sleepy, so I go to the bed at 9 every night. Mother, yes, there is a clock inside you. Her mother said, her mother explained her that there is a clock inside of your body which tell you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Understand? Just like Neha, we all are having a body clock. We all are having a clock inside of our body which tells us the time of eating, sleeping, everything. Okay? Neha, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Then Neha said, so I have to do quickly. I have to get ready for the school quickly because I not want to miss my bus. But her mother says, relax. Relax means don't take any tension because today is Sunday. Neha, oh. Okay, this is the story of this. Now, my dear student, at your home, which thing you use to get up? मीन्स आप अपने घर में क्या चीज़ यूज़ करते हो उठने के लिए, एंड हाउ यू कम टू नो इट इज़ मॉर्निंग टाइम, और आपको कैसे पता लगता है दिस इज द मॉर्निंग टाइम. तो थिंक अबाउट इट. I will explain this answer of this question in our Zoom class, and it may be in our next video also. Okay, with this explanation of video, I will upload homework also for you of lesson Neha's alarm clock. Okay, now thank you student for watching the video. Okay, bye bye.